Hey everybody, welcome back to DeHaven Family Farm. Please excuse my greasy, dirty appearance. I've been working in the shop all day and decided to come out and mow some hay. So, as you can see behind me, I think, and I'll show you in a second, we got the M4 hooked to the Kubota Discbine. There's a couple reasons for that. First, I want to see how it does. It is going to be pushing the limits of what that tractor can handle. I believe Kubota says that mower needs about 70 horsepower or so, and that's what the tractor is. So we'll be taking our time today, probably only mowing at about 4 miles an hour, give or take. The hay is kind of wet anyway. But the other reason is the tractor I normally mow with, there's a problem with the power shift that has to be repaired, and there's a problem with the forward and reverse lever. I believe it's a switch that I need to look into. So that tractor's in the shop right now. And the other big tractor I have is hooked to the square baler, which takes like 10 things to unhook to get the stupid square baler unhooked. And then to rehook it, I got to hook all that hoses and wires and nonsense back up. So I'm feeling kind of lazy, don't feel like doing that. So we're going to try this tractor out and see how it does. So there she be. We'll get some footage for you. One of the reasons I'm taking this video, partially to show everybody how the M4 is going to do, but also because the first mowing video I got for you this year sucked. It was in the dark, and for some reason the camera did not pick up on the light that was on the video at all. Normally the camera makes things look brighter than it normally is, but for some reason that video was just terrible. So I want to get you a nice video, the Kubota mower working. So we're going to be doing some second cut here today. Our second cut, we have 3 fields we're going to do on the home farm. They are all pitiful, terrible, but I want to cut them so we can try and get some regrowth on them. Basically what happened after we did first cut, there was an 80% chance of rain, so I fertilized everything real heavy and it barely rained. We got just enough of a shower to maybe start that fertilizer working, and then the next 10 days or so after that we had 0 rain. So the hay fields dried up, the weeds took over a little bit, I think some of my nitrogen evaporated, just a total mess. So some of this stuff here is probably 16 inches tall or so, some of it's not. It really isn't great, but I kind of want to wipe the slate clean and start over and hope that our third cut will be better. So that's why we're going to go ahead and do it. So there it is. Let's get started. couple passes left here. Just thought I'd tell you how the M4 was doing. It doesn't like the hills, that's for sure. The poor little 4-cylinder is really working. Drops about 50 or 60 RPM going up the hills. I know you can't really tell on camera, but I mean, it's getting the job done. I'm just staying at about 4.1 miles an hour right now. On the flat, I could probably go up a gear and be doing like 5.2, 5.3, but going up and down the hills here, it can't handle it. In some really thick first cut, you'd probably have to be down yet even another gear, going about 3.5 maybe miles an hour. So it gets the job done. It saved me from having to unhook the other tractor, and I was curious how well it would handle you know, a disc mower. So it was kind of an experiment and something for you guys to see too. So that's how it's doing. I'm almost done here with the second field, and I'm going to apologize right now because as we go around this corner and go back down the hill, the sun is going to be in your face, and I'm sorry, there's nothing I can do about it. So get your sunglasses on quick, and we'll be good to go. Sorry, making a turn here, getting lined up. Some spots of the field aren't bad, and some is definitely not great. Like I said before, I'm hoping to just kind of start over. We're going to refertilize, so that's all we can do. I'll get a little something out of it. It's better than just bringing the bush hog out and mowing it and not taking anything. At least I'll get something out of it to help cover my fertilizer costs. So it is what it is. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video today mowing. Hopefully redeem myself from the last mowing video in the dark that you really couldn't see anything. Yeah, not great. So hopefully enjoyed this one, was able to see some footage here of everything in action, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section. Any comments, leave them down in the comment section. I hope everybody's, whether it's a crop season or hay season, is going better than mine. Just one of those years, but I hope everybody's doing well. And we've been fighting the weeds with the vegetables. They're off over here to our left. You know, because when it's dry, of course, weeds are the only thing that grow. So we've been fighting that. And we have a couple solutions on, you know, that's all on the other channel, Little Red Farmstead, if anybody's interested. So check that out. If not, I'm going to sign off here, guys. I got one more field to do yet. You can see the sun's going down. And I hope everybody enjoyed the video. I really do appreciate everybody watching. I appreciate all the new subscribers, and I see some new, I don't want to say faces, but new people commenting on the videos. I really appreciate you taking the time to do that. And all my normal friends that comment on most of my videos, thanks guys, I do appreciate that. And thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you enjoyed, and I hope to see you on the next video.